There you're on, sweetie.
Uses it, they're running software or whatever.
Can you wave to Grammy?
Hi,
If you
Jaden.
write code,
Merry
you use a
Christmas.
lot of memory.
Merry Christmas. Oh, now you're gonna be like Brutus.
Can you
What?
wave to
Let's
Grammy?
do another.
What does Mark
Sing
have?
your song for Grammy.
Mark?
Ready?
He works
Brutus will help you sing it.
He's
Brutus is
monitor
gonna help
me.
you. Ready?
Brutus, stay
It's
down.
that big, no exaggeration. A monitor, not a
Bruce gonna
TV. $1,500. The thing is amazing.
You're gonna help him.
Having dinner at your house tonight? What's Maddie cooking?
Oh, sing louder.
Jaden, sing louder.
When you wish. I want you to sing to me.
You're not gonna sing for me?
Excuse
Sing
me.
for me, please.
Free information kit, a free video, plus a free in-home test drive certificate.
Sing loud. Sing. Sing. Sing
See,
to
Miss
me.
Chewy.
Sing to me.
Let's sing.
Come to you.
Yay!
Yay! Very nice. Very nice. See Auntie Sammy? Say hi to Auntie Sammy. Merry Christmas. Tell Sammy.
Yes, stop.
And you are in a position of trust, perhaps.
You got pee-pee in your diaper? You need to go potty?
Screaming orgasms with large
Yep,
women shouldn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at your pretty nails.
She was dry from morning
Show
to
Grammy.
nighttime.
Show Grammy
yesterday.
your pretty nails. And show her the other ones.
Oh.
Show them all. Lay them down like this, honey. Lay them down like that. Oh.
Who painted your nails?
Very nice.
Who painted them?
So,
Uncle Steve?
Who painted them?
there's something I could fire it for. Do you?
Who painted your nails?
Do you think you could find something?
Yeah, always, huh?
Very
You and
pretty.
Allie get your nails painted together?
Very
What
nice.
color is this?
Green.
Good job. What color is this?
Green.
No. Did you cheat?
No cheating. Grampy helped.
Say hi to Meme. Say hi, Meme.
Say hi to Auntie Kim.
Say hi, Auntie
To
Kimmy.
Tyler and Uncle Paul and Pepe and
Say hello, everybody.
Derek and Camille. Oh, and Dylan.
Is in my room.
Hi, Dylan.
Did you see somebody?
Yeah. It's a kitchen.
This could be a while.
Oh, that's
Woohoo! Good job. Oh.
Take the paper off. You can do it. You can do it. What is it? Show her the picture where the kids are playing with it.
Look, Jaden.
Look on top.
What's that?
It's a kitchen.
Oh, it's a big one. Look, Jaden. Oh, sorry. She likes to sit on big boxes. What are you
Nice
doing?
seat. Are the kids cooking?
Those commercials scare me. With the talking thumbs.
Oh my gosh, it's so freaky.
That's freaky like Burger King guy.
And you use your food and you, hey.
Oh wait,
Cook
I got
your
a present for her too. What am I thinking? I see. Here, Jaden.